Let's chat up. English, unraveling a fun phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deep into a phrase that might have caught your ear if you've been around English speakers for a while. Ever heard someone say they're going to chat someone up? Let's unravel the meaning behind this intriguing phrase. Chat up is a phrasal verb made up of the word chat and the preposition up. On its own, chat means to talk or converse in a friendly manner. However, when combined with up, the meaning shifts slightly. To chat someone up typically means to engage someone in light and flirty conversation, often with the intention of getting to know them better, even starting a romantic relationship. It's like striking up a conversation, but usually with a bit more intention or charm behind it. Now that we understand the basic meaning, let's see how it's used in everyday English. 1. Romantic setting. He went to the party and chatted up a girl he liked. This means he initiated a flirty conversation with a girl he was interested in. 2. In a pub or social setting. She's not shy. She'll chat up anyone at the bar. This implies that she's outgoing and will initiate conversations with strangers. 3. Less common uses. Sometimes, chat up can be used in non-romantic settings. For example, I chatted up the event organizer to get a better understanding of the schedule. In this context, it just means striking up a conversation with a specific purpose in mind. Want to use chat up like a native speaker? Here are some quick tips. 1. Mind the context. While chat up can be used in non-romantic settings, it's essential to be aware of its flirtatious undertone. Make sure your intention is clear. 2. Pair with body language. This phrase often goes hand in hand with body language. If someone says, "He's chatting her up," you might notice him leaning in, making eye contact, or smiling a lot. 3. Variations. Sometimes, people just use chat without the up. For instance, they chatted for hours. This has a more neutral tone and doesn't carry the same flirty implication. So, there you have it. The next time you hear someone say they're going to chat someone up, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. Whether you're looking to add some flair to your conversations or just understand English speakers better, I hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep exploring the intricacies of the English language, and happy chatting!